Labour Congress has come and said that there will be strike, a nationwide indefinite strike on Monday. And that since they cannot agree with the federal government for 60,000 for minimum wage, and they will be sit at home. But the government has come and said that the Labour Congress should retrace their step. They should think about it before embarking on the strike, that they should have the sympathy of the masses. But meanwhile, these are people when we say senator, they collect big money, but to pay workers even come 100,000, they say na 60,000 they won't pay, and they say lie, they don't go agree. 60,000, that ain't government won't pay.
You are welcome. See what's happening now is that when we say government and workers, every day meeting. It's like they are playing card. But at the end of the day, when you watch the film, let there be truth. Because we will never see the truth among two of them. Because when you say we never see the truth, the reality must be spoken. Don't be postponing our life. Say on Monday we'll do another strike. Next time we'll see they call it off. Next time we go and plan, we'll do it. How many times will we be doing it? Let there be an amicable solution for the system. Let Nigeria workers get sense of relief to live accordingly, to eat and to do well-being to their family. Not this type of situation where I see they are begging for 60 and government says 60, but the 60 is too low. See, they can pay 150, they can pay 500. How much senator are collecting? How much House of Rep? 25 million. Okay, they are collecting, they are making us, and we are just looking there. We are clapping for them. See, one day we will dissolve them. One day there's going to be a dissolution to them. Because they must not exist anymore. Because we never see this type of situation in Nigeria whereby senators, House of Rep, let's say politician, they are the problem of the Nigeria situation. Since when they came in 1999, Nigeria never see a period anymore. Suffering involved. Everybody now is calmer. Everybody now do different type of unnecessarily to survive. Can you imagine? See, that's why the language is bad. Every day is a problem. They fight here. They kill people every day in Nigeria because of Nigeria is house of illegality, house of wrongs, house of frauds, house of governments that are fraudsters. Nigeria government, now they be mafia powers for the whole world. It's how they live now. They live like mafia for inside thing. They get escort, they get cook, they get everything. They enjoy their house, they chop food anyhow. They enjoy. Okay, where our enjoy come? We don't enjoy, but for now we suffer. Every day suffering and smiling. They now continue it, and they believe that they are human beings. I don't think so. They believe they are human beings. One day they will leave this planet, and before they leave the planet, they will account for it. But we are going to ask them for the accountation because time is going. So another day is going. Night is drawing here. Night is drawing there. They never believe that answers will come. When answers come, the whole Nigeria stands. They come down. They burn all the whole burn equator. They burn police organization nationwide. They say, okay, now let the people die. And they were afraid. And Nigeria is like, they wake us, okay, let peace reign. And it's coming again. The one is coming is not coming with only the youth. Only the youth shake Nigeria. Now, papa, mama, picking small boy, everybody yakpa, so they will perish. And they will end the poverty that they are giving to us. They will say, nah, take what belongs to you, and let us move in peacefully atmosphere. And it's coming now. And they will feel it. And they will know that we are Nigeria. We are not falling out. Father, mother, we came here. Children will follow. Manda, everybody follow. Then they will not know that things have turned around. Things have turned. Because that time they will face anywhere. Abuja, and they face Asurok. Many people will face Yakpa for Abuja. You go pass trillion before they call Yakpa for Asurok. You go see Kuke Yakpa. How many want kids? They go Yakpa for each state. Now they will not know the reality that Nigeria is so happy with them. Not every day they will take us for granted. They have been taking us for granted for many years coming. Tina, how will it be? We have to end it with violence. So they take it by violence. They take it by violence. Without violence, all those claims never stop. Now soldier is killing people anyhow, that's it. Okay, at the end of the day, what happened now? At the end of the day, they kill. Soldier kill people, that's it, they kill soldier. At the end of the day, they kill. They will be killing themselves. Is that the solution? That is not the solution. Truth is the solution. Arrangement, equal right, justice. All are Nigeria. Let there be equal right of justice among everybody. Then language will not be pure. But now there is no justice among us. That's why everybody is not happy. Who is not happy can do undo. And for instance, see what is happening in Nigeria. You divide Nigeria to everywhere. Let Nigeria be united. Speak language. The president said, you know, they announce reality to Nigeria. They say, see as a bill, see as a bill. But we come. Let us forget differences. Let us move together. There will be positive movement for everybody. But now, there will be silence. You will be hearing killing. You will be hearing hunger. You will be hearing everything. We are tired of them. God bless.
Okay, and so lastly, the killing of Sudan and Abba, some people say that it's a political, because of political differences in the south, is that they want to sabotage Otis government. That's why they kill soldiers just to cause wahala there. But some people have said it's IPOP. So who do you think? What do you really see as regards the killing of the soldier in Abbas?
See, what has happened has happened. Whether it's a political or not political, who don't die, don't die. So what I'm trying to tell you is let there be a reasonable environment for us to live. But if we live in a reasonable environment, we can't be a political to ourselves, to the essence of killing our own soldier that we train. We now face another side, begin to make that undermine the government of popularity of that environment. It's bad. Let us speak the truth always. And let things be okay, because things are not okay. You can't be killing ourselves in the name of we hate ourselves. How long? See, I won't buy it. The government have to be blamed. The others have to be blamed. But at the end, who pay responsibility for those that have lost their lives? So every day, soldier the other day they bury them for data. They bury them. Today now another soldier they will bury them. How long? And we have Nigeria. We have law. We have justice. What is happening? See, the communication is not well played to all of us. That's why there's a problem. My condolence reaching to the family that lost, because it was not supposed to be. It was a celebration home to celebrate their year anniversary or something like that. So when they are killing her, it's not come to money department, which is very wrong. We don't buy it, we don't like it. We are Nigeria, we are one. Let us be one and forever. We are not foreigner, we are killing ourselves. If we are foreigner, can't kill us. How would one? So let us be respectful to each other and respect each other.
I'm in support if they can stand on their feet, because the kind of Labour Congress we have now is not the same the kind of Labour Congress we had before. Are you getting it? Who truly carry the masses at heart and along. So if they want to stand up for this strike, they should do it in a proper way and stand by their word. I'm a man of policy, and I like men who are not being controlled by bribe or the riches of rice or 1 pint of gari or yes now bribe. If you know what is good, stand out and do it. I believe both in Quran and in Bible they talk about truth. Are you getting it? Even in the Babalawo side, in the other side of life, they still have truth there. So let us face the truth. If Labour Congress is truly fighting for the benefit of Nigerians, they should stand out on their word and never go back on that strike. They should stand up. Let government. Excuse me, who are the government? What is the meaning of democracy? Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Do you know what that means? Opinion of the people are what the government used to rule them. Definitely, government must listen to the cry of the citizens. The citizens are the government. We decide what the things we want. Are you getting it? So the government should listen to us, because we are the foundation of their governance. We are the one that send them there to represent us. Not that we send them there to dictate for us. Are you hearing me? We did not send them there to dictate for us. We send them there to listen to us and to give report to us as well, and to respond to our opinions, our desires. So Labour, if they know what is good, they should do it and get the right thing done for the benefit of every Nigerians. God bless you.
Labour Congress has come out to reject 60,000 that the government has offered for minimum wage. They said it's way too small, and the strike will be commencing on Monday, on the 3rd of June. But the federal government has come and said that the Labour Congress, they should have the art of citizen at heart, that they should retake their step as regards the strike.
When I looked at the write-up, the write-up of why they are going on strike, they made mention of the minimum wage, they made mention of the electricity, and these 3 points they laid down. First and foremost, Labour should tell us, the government, and insist that this is the amount they want. It seems they stated it, and the government is not ready. I'm going to support this strike. There's hunger in the land. I am 100% supporting it. The only language this government knows is strike. And we await them to see that. Let's see whether they will be able to push them. That's my own humble take, sir.
Thank you, sir.